The CLASSEN Group is one of the world's leading manufacturers of wall and floor coverings. Under the motto, "Floors for a Better Tomorrow," around 2,000 employees in all areas of the value chain are committed to a sustainable future. The creative hub of the entire group is the CLASSEN Design Center in Kaisersesch.
This is where all product innovations and designs are developed and implemented. We draw inspiration from nature, a wide variety of materials, and the styles and colors of different continents and countries. This leads to the creation of diverse and extraordinary designs.
At our main site in Kaisersesch, CLASSEN manufactures wall and floor coverings made from CERAMIN, a core material developed in-house. CERAMIN consists mainly of polypropylene and a natural mineral filler. Over 50% of the polypropylene comes from recycled materials. Most of the recycled materials are obtained from food packaging, such as yogurt pots and vegetable trays. The raw materials required for this are delivered to our production plant on a daily basis. In our extruders, the raw materials are mixed together and processed into granulate. Our CERAMIN core boards are extruded through a twin-screw extruder. The so-called cake then runs through a rolling mill and is smoothed to the desired thickness. We have the capability to extrude various types and thicknesses of plates, as well as to produce plates with different layers in a process known as co-extrusion. These are always tailored to the intended use of the various base materials. Quality assurance of the plates during production is an integral part of our production processes. In the next step, the core boards are transferred to digital printing, where a white print base layer is applied. The white print base ensures a common color basis for all core boards for digital printing. The decors and surfaces created in the CLASSEN Design Center are printed on top of it. CLASSEN Digital Printing offers versatile design options, from harmonious wood to authentic stone decors. The advantages of digital printing lie primarily in the variety of planks available. Conventional manufacturers usually only offer 5 to 7 different plank designs, whereas CLASSEN offers well over 18 different designs. The printed planks are then coated with a durable wear layer film in the laminating machine, which serves as a protective surface sealant. During the laminating process, a hardened finish varnish is also applied to ensure micro-scratch resistance and determine the degree of gloss. CLASSEN uses innovative technology to achieve a stable matte gloss level that appears matte from every angle. Optionally, a high-quality integrated impact sound insulation can be laminated onto the bottom side in the same work step. Depending on the end product, the panel is divided into the desired plank and tile format, either in the profiling or in the cutting process. The panels are then beveled. CLASSEN offers both a color-matched lacquered bevel and a bevel in the wear layer. Defective goods are detected using special cameras and sorted out fully automatically.
We are able to pass floors that do not meet quality criteria and are therefore rejected during the production process through a mill, thereby returning them to the granulation process and ultimately to the entire production process, allowing us to claim that our production is free of waste.
We have been working on sustainable production processes for years and have thus achieved fully integrated manufacturing. In our laboratories, we are constantly researching new products and ensuring the quality of our wall and floor coverings through high-tech and efficient testing procedures. The finished planks are transported from the automated high bay warehouse to the packaging plant. Here, the goods are mainly packed in solid cardboard boxes. After loading, our products are shipped to wholesale, specialist, and DIY stores all over the world. We are certified by the Blue Angel, Eco Institute, and are made in Germany. We stand for PVC-free.